What's going on, YouTube fam? It's DK Artist. Hope y'all doing well out there. Gonna get started here on today's drawing lesson in my Corona series. Like I said, we're gonna keep these drawings simple so that anybody can follow along, especially young children, and be able to utilize basic tools and different shapes to draw different things and objects, okay? So today we're going to draw this pear. And as you can see in the center here, I have two circles, a large circle and then a smaller circle. I'm gonna use that as our base to draw another pear. Okay, so you wanna find something around the house. It could be a top, a lid of a jar, or if you have a compass, right, like a school compass, you can use that. But that's being a little bit more complicated, so I want to keep it simple. Just find the top, two different sizes, one that's large, one that's a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to use this right here, which is a top off a plastic cup. All right, and then I'll use another one for the smaller circle. What I want you to do is draw your circle off to either the left or the right. Draw it off to the left a little bit. So we're gonna make our pear tilt a little bit at an angle. Okay, so let's draw your circle around. Okay, draw your circle. Take your time. Okay, we have our first circle. Then I'm going to take something smaller, draw a second circle. So I'm going to use another top that I found. Actually, this one's a little bit too large, so I'm going to use something else. Okay, I've got another top here. You want to put it at an angle, right? I mean, if you want to, you can make it straight up and down, doesn't matter. It's all up to you, okay? I'm gonna keep this fun. So I move mine off to the left a little bit, and I want it to overlap my first circle, right? And I'm gonna show you why in a second. So we're gonna overlap it. Draw another circle. Remember, you're gonna keep your lines light in the beginning. Then we're going to darken them as we draw the object out. Okay, so that's going to be the base for your pear. Now we're going to go back. We're going to start from the top here. Okay, then we go slightly off to the left because my pear is leaning a little bit, right? To the left. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line, okay? Remember how we did for our orange? So we're gonna make a line here. We're gonna curve it just a little bit. Gonna go to the other side of it. Curve that line a little bit. Then we're gonna do another one and curve that line a little bit. We're gonna take our pencil and begin to draw the shape of our pear. So we're gonna follow that line around, right? And then we're gonna connect these two circles. So this little area right here, we're gonna go in and out and join it right with that line. Okay, did you see what I did? I went in and out and connected to the larger circle, all right? You're gonna keep going around. Don't worry if it's not a perfect circle, it doesn't have to be. All right. The next side, I'm gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go around, you're gonna follow it around, okay? gonna go in, and then we're gonna connect that circle right there. Right. Draw it around. If it's not a perfect circle, don't worry about it, because fruit, as you know, is not perfectly round. Okay, we get down to the bottom here, right? What I want to do is come around, okay, and draw just a little indentation right there, okay? Little dip, and come back around and meet that line. Then what we're going to do is erase everything that's in the center. So we're going to erase the lines that's left in the center, okay? I'm going to clean up these lines a little bit. Okay, where we had that little dip down here, okay? Where that little dip is down here, we're going to put a line on top of it, right? So you're going to go start from one side of the dip, right? In, out, and back in, right? Sort of like a mustache, okay? Make a mustache. Then you're gonna put a little half circle right there on the bottom, okay? And we're gonna put a stem on our pear. So you can go up about an inch, right? Doesn't matter if it's longer or shorter. It's up to you, right? You can do this with a small rectangle, right? I'm gonna show you, okay? Make you a little rectangle, okay? Now I'm gonna come back, right? Remember, at first I'm always going to leave my line light when I'm drawing till I want my finished line, okay? So right here, I'm just gonna go in a little bit, make it thin, okay? And meet right there. I'll take this line, right, and bring it in and meet right there. And right here on the end, I can close it off, all right? From this point, some pears have little blemishes on it, little dots, right? So I can place dots all over my pear if I want, all right? And you can use a green color, pencil, crayon, whatever you have available. You want to add some color to it, you just follow your line around it you made before. So pears are normally the shape of a bell, as they say. Some pears are more round than others. That's fine, you just use your imagination. Hey, you want to keep this fun. I'll get my brown out. And then you can fill it in. color it as you wish, right? And that's a little simple way to portray the drawing of a pear, right? Using 2 or more basic shapes. Okay, so that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Y'all take it easy, keep drawing, have fun with it. Peace.